Hello viewers, you are watching Astro Planet Forecast and I'm your guide. Today we were going to talk about Scorpio and we will explore what surprising secret and powerful signals the stars may reveal about your life from April 1st to April 5th, 2026. If you belong to the sign of Scorpio, these upcoming days could bring moments in your life that may not only strengthen your courage but also move your dream closer than to reality. During this period, the energies of the universe may seem to move in your favor. However, along with this opportunity, they may also can be certain challenges that test your patience, determination, and wisdom. The period beginning on April 1st could become a time of inner awakening and personal strength for Scorpio. You may begin to feel as if a new energy is rising within you, as if your thoughts have become clearer, stronger, and more focused than before. If you have been dealing with confusion, stress, or the pressure of an important decision in recent days, you may also start to see paths opening up for you. In your professional life, some opportunities might appear that seem small at first glance but could later become the foundation of a major success. It is possible that a senior person notices your abilities or you receive an opportunity you have been waiting for the quite some time. However, the star also suggests that avoiding impulsive decisions that will be important. Scorpio are known for their intensity and emotional strength, but this week the real wisdom will be thinking carefully before taking any major step. When it comes to financial matters, the movement of the stars between April 1st and April 5th indicate that you should pay social attention for your financial planning. For some people, those periods could bring new additional income or new financial opportunity. A past content may appear and turn out to be the financial for you. At the same time, there is also a possibility of unexpected expenses or maintaining balance become income and spending will be essential. Those who are involved in business may find this period suitable for considering new plans or strategies. However, making immediate investment without careful evaluation may not be wise. Remember, when Scorpio combine their sharp intuition with clear thinking, success often follows them naturally. In terms of love and relationship, this period may carry special significance. If you are already in a relationship, emotions could become stronger than these days. Sometimes even small matter might feel deeply personal. So it will be important to show patience and understanding. For those who have experienced misunderstanding with their partner, this could be a valuable time to express your feeling honestly and openly. Once a safe conversation may resolve many emotional complications. On the other hand, those who are currently single may also experience an interesting possibility. You might meet some unexpectedly, perhaps during a gathering, a conversation, or even a random moment that touches your heart in a meaningful way. Even if this meeting does not immediately turn into a serious relationship, it could leave a lasting impression on your mind and heart. From a family and social perspective, this day may also hold importance. So you may feel a stronger desire to spend more time with your loved ones. A family member might need your guidance or support, or even a small positive efforts from you could create a warm and pleasant atmosphere at home. For some Scorpios, this period may even bring good news and an important family discussion. If distance or misunderstanding have developed between you and a relative or friend recently, the chance of improvement are quite strong now. Sometimes a single a sincere gesture or a few heartfelt words can break down walls that have built up between hearts. Looking at your spiritual and mental state, the period from April 1st to April 5th may inspire a deeper realization within you. The true power is life does not only comes from external success but also from inner peace. You may feel the need to spend some time alone organizing your thoughts and reconnecting with your true purpose. If you include prayer, meditation, or positive thinking in your daily routine during these days, it may not only calm your mind but also help you make clearer and stronger decisions. The star indicates that this time could also help you discover your deeper purpose in life. Overall, the period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 carries a message of change, awakening, and opportunity from Scorpio. If you trust your inner strength, avoiding rushing into the decision and move forward with thoughtful steps, these days may open doors to new achievement and possibilities. Remember, the universe often supports those who believe in themselves and continue moving forward despite challenges. Viewers, if you belong to Scorpio, these coming days may hold many hidden possibilities for you. It is quite possible that this period could become the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Friends, if you enjoyed this prediction for Scorpio from April 1st to April 5th, 2026, and you feel that the signals from the stars truly connected with your life, and don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Your single like is not just a click for us, it's a motivation that inspires us to bring you even more powerful, deeper and heart-touching astrological predictions. Make sure to share your thoughts, experiences and questions in the comments below. Tell us which zodiac sign you belong to and let us know if this prediction feels similar to what's happening in your life. Your comments are extremely valuable to us and we always try to include your question and experience in our upcoming videos. And if you would like your friends and loved ones to also discover these hidden messages from the star and the signal about the coming days, then don't forget to share this video with them. It's possible that this prediction might bring hope, motivation, or fresh perspective into someone else's life as well. And if you have not yet become part of our channel Astro Planet Forecast, make sure to subscribe right now and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming and fascinating astrological prediction. I was your guide and I'll see you again very soon with another powerful and surprising forecast from the stars. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones.